Greeting, Mr. Ortiz. Hello. On this occasion, I would like to talk a little more about myself and the place where I live. My name is Cindy Paola Hernandez. I am 32 years old. I am single and having children. I live with my mother. I am pharmacy assistant and studying psychology in the UNAD University. I like to go dancing and singing karaoke. I like Bogota City, the capital of Colombia. The places to visit: Monserrate, the National Museum, the Macarena neighborhood, and a large park called Simón Bolívar. My favorite dish is the ajiaco. This is a soup. It is made with different types of potatoes, corn, chicken, and special species called huascas. It's delicious. On August 6, Bogota Beer Day is celebrated, and on the first days of the month, the summer festival is held. Here also takes place some sporting events, cultural shows, and musical concerts. Thank you.